On today's video, I am going to clean out my fridge. So there isn't much in my fridge as of now, but it is definitely in need of a deep clean. So I'm going to be honest, I have not deep cleaned my fridge for a couple of months. Now I do clear it out and I throw away old food, but I haven't deep cleaned it. So if you also haven't deep cleaned your fridge, I'm hoping this video will motivate you. So let's get started. I love working in steps, so step 1 is remove the items from the focused area. In this case, it's the top shelf. Step 2, carefully remove the shelves. Now let's move on to the cleaning station, the sink. Step 3, clean the shelves. I am going to go ahead and just use good old dish soap and some water, and I'm going to treat this as a dirty dish. So now that my top shelves are drying, I am moving on to the second shelf. Don't forget to put on some gloves to protect your beautiful skin. You don't want your hands to dry up, especially during winter. It can start to crack and really hurt our hands, so wear your gloves. So this is my first time buying the pink stuff. I saw this on TikTok and it looks so satisfying, so I definitely had to give this a try. I have to say though, I did think that it was going to be easier to scoop out, but it wasn't as smooth as I thought. You don't need the pink stuff to clean the inside of your fridge. You can use dish soap and water, which is what I usually use, but I wanted to give the pink stuff a try. It worked really well for me. I am impressed. In regards to cleaning out the inside of my fridge, I don't believe that the pink stuff is very revolutionary, but it gets the job done. If all you have is dish soap, then go ahead and use that. I definitely want to hear what you guys use to clean out your fridge. Do you guys just use good old dish soap with some water? I have heard that there's other options such as baking soda, but I haven't tried it myself. Let me know what you guys use. Now let's move on to step 5, place back the clean shelves. This part is so satisfying to me because we're seeing our fridge come back to life. My absolute most favorite part is to put back the items. I'm just putting back a few because we still have a couple more drawers and shelves to clean. After deep cleaning my fridge, I do have to say that I am so satisfied with the results. There is no scent when I open my fridge. It is very satisfying and you gain some respect for your fridge in a weird way. You start to really pay attention to what you're putting back and how you put back items. For instance, you won't put back a whole pot of food that you just cooked. Instead, you'll put it in a nice cute container and put it back in your fridge. All because your fridge looks really clean already. So with all this being said, I am going to make a cleaning schedule and I am going to add it in sections, a weekly, monthly, And in the monthly schedule, I will be adding to deep clean my fridge. Because honestly, it wasn't too bad. It was just a rinse and repeat type of action. It was just a laziness. I felt like it was going to be such a hassle. It did take me a long time, a couple of hours actually, to clean my fridge. But I feel that if it's something that is maintained monthly, it will not take me a couple of hours to deep clean my fridge. The only reason this time it took me a couple of hours because it has been months since I have deep cleaned my fridge. Alright, so now let's move on to cleaning the ice maker. I feel like this is a part of our fridge that we neglect. And honestly, since I moved to this house, I moved here in May, I have not cleaned my ice maker, as disgusting as that sounds. So it was definitely gross and it was definitely in need of deep cleaning. Now, I most definitely understand that many of us are super busy, and this is the reason why we don't take time to deep clean our fridge. So, if you find yourself in that situation, I'm going to propose a solution for you. The day that you usually do clean your kitchen, go ahead and clean the top shelf. And then the next time you clean out your kitchen, clean out the second shelf, and so forth. Once your whole fridge is clean, you're going to feel so satisfied and you're going to want to maintain this. Trust me. Once I finish my fridge, I definitely am looking forward to maintaining it. I'm going to keep it clean and I'm going to add it to my monthly deep clean. Okay, it's time for the big reveal. But of course, we can't do a reveal without a before and an after. Ta-da! What do you guys think? It's so shiny, so clean, so organized. I love the end results. There's no scent when I open the fridge. I love this. I almost forgot, the pink stuff really helped with any hard water marks. Apparently my water had left some spots after I finished cleaning it and I used the pink stuff to remove it and it worked really well, hence the shiny shelves. And yes, my fridge does look very empty and that's because I am going grocery shopping tomorrow and I am looking forward to restocking in a clean fridge. So my freezer is very messy and that's because it took me a couple of hours to clean my fridge, so I didn't get to it, but I will be cleaning it out. So in my last video I made DIY shelves and I also made one for my laundry room. This is how it looks. I just wanted to show you guys that it also looks beautiful in different patterns. Thank you so much for your precious time. Until next time, much blessings.